accommodations, food, and whatever.
Exactly, because you won't need that person to be there to coach the national team. You need that person to go there, to be there and for a long time. You need that person to go there to go and uh, you know develop people. We need people to be developed, to start people from the scratch, and it's something that takes time. About 5 years, so for you to be able to have a good athlete. So I think it's a long term thing, but we people have to look at that. We're looking at investing in the people. So I think it's good that we see Arab countries doing well and we admire them, and
Mm.
we want to be like them.
Now, let me take you to the pitch right now. As you see, these boys on Takumi, they are now trying to, to fight. The way you see them, I think you're much more experienced and have some more experience in karate. What do you think? Who do you think has the strength, and what kind of strength among these two? There's one with a blue belt and the other one with a red one.
It's Congo in Zimbabwe.
Yes.
Congo on blue.
Yes.
Congo is likely to win because the guy is more agile, unlike the Zimbabwe. The Zimbabwean is like a straightforward person. It becomes a problem when you want to hit hard, but you need to be clever. You need to
Mm.
be able to move around, move around. Don't hit to kill, just
Yes.
hit to get a point. So if
Yes.
you're too stiff and you want to hit to kill, then you're going
Yes.
to have a problem.
And the way maybe what about the way he moves? He takes his moves, and his movements. You see the way the move. What would you say about the movements of the two boys?
Look at red. Red, you should look at the guards. When you keep your guards, all your both guards up, what are you going to do? Your intention is to punch high only to the head, Jordan, which is his Jordan. But then your opponent knows that this person is not going to punch below into that level, so he's going to relax, knowing that no, I'm just going to block at the head, and I'm just going to pin him down. So, but now that 2-2, but
Yes.
if you look at the experience of the the blue belt, he's
Yes.
more relaxed. Look at that. Look at that.
Yes.
Like I just said, that guy just want to come, and then this one knows that, oh, I'm just going to wait for this guy to come. So it's about it's a mind game.
It's a mind game, having the good timing,
Yes.
and knowing exactly where am I going to hit, and with what kind of energy am I hitting or where am I kicking. Mm.
You know, karate these days. If you look at as Africans,
Yes.
we need to train very hard, because
Mm.
when we leave this tournament, we must think this is the biggest tournament, but when we go to Europe, we
Yes.
find that somebody who's better in Africa, when he goes to Europe, is going to have a problem. But the way these guys are fighting, it's like they're only concentrating on this tournament. They don't have a future plan that next
Mm.
time I want to go to Europe, or I want to
And
go
to go to a higher
Olympic.
level.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, yeah, yeah. It's like the only concentration is for this tournament. So it's something that we people we need to work very hard on. That we need to do karate not just for sports karate, but just to move forward to to interact with people, and to get people to sponsor you, and
Mm.
to get people to invest more into karate. So we need to make karate more interesting.
Uh, there are some countries which should do participate in big championships like this, but if you see the way they organize, they just know there's a competition that will be taking place either in Rwanda or somewhere, and they just come for three. They organize. They come for 3 months, and then they go to such a big tournament. I think it's one of the reasons why these countries are failing.
Yeah, countries are failing because lack of preparations. You won't go anywhere with lack of preparation. But for you to prepare, you need to have man. for example, we look at other countries.
Mm.
The government is not sponsoring those people to go to this championship. You find that the kids are sponsoring themselves. You know, they're popping from their own pocket. So imagine you have to represent the country and you have to pop up from your country. And how are you going to pop out money from your from your pocket to go and prepare yourself?
Mm.
So I think that the government also have to take responsibility of making sure that these people are really trained, really supported, because you can't have somebody who's representing a country using his own money to attend the championship.
Mm. Now, this the Congolese now has actually
Yeah,
won. Huh?
yeah, the Congo War.
Yes. Let's talk about your country. How is the organization? How do you actually do go by